Traveler, and I am excited to be here with you all today. So I'm here to talk to you about a country I feel like kind of doesn't get a lot of credit. It doesn't get a lot of attention, but it is an absolutely amazing country. And I personally have fallen in love with the country and the people and just everything about it. And the country I'm talking about is Oman. Oman is absolutely amazing, and I'm here to tell you some reasons why you should make your next international trip to Oman. So Oman's capital is Muscat, so it's Muscat, Oman, that's the capital. But Oman is really, really, really beautiful. It has mountains, it has beaches, it has deserts. I feel like as far as the terrain goes, as far as the different the different type of land and different type of weather goes, it has really, really, really good weather. Now, I wouldn't go to Oman in the dead heat of summer. That even though I like hot places, it may be a little bit too hot for me. But like if you go to Oman in August, you can go to Shalala, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's green. The water there lights up like it's a luminescent because of the algae. They have a luminescent algae there, and the water glows a beautiful color at night. It is just absolutely breathtaking. It's something that you really just have to see in real life. Even the pictures and videos that I may include, they do it no justice. But what makes a country really, really great is the people. The people of Oman are absolutely amazing. In my experience, they are so friendly, they are honest. I haven't had anyone, any of the times I've been there, be dishonest with me or try to cheat me. In fact, when I was counting money back, I had accidentally given them too much, and they turned around and was like, oh, no, 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 this is too much. And they gave it back to me. Oman is also great because, like, the people. I can't talk about how enough the people are absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. And when you're traveling and you're surrounded by great people, and the country's people are amazing and they're welcoming, that really makes your travel experience so much better. Another reason why Oman is really, really great, especially if you're traveling and if you're traveling on a budget, is half board. Half board, most of the hotels do half board in Oman, and basically what that is you get breakfast and lunch, or you can choose to get breakfast and dinner, and that really cuts down on a lot of the cost. Another great thing I like about Oman is the actual airport. I know you're all like, what? The airport? Oman's airport is, it's like, you can see I don't even have a lot of words for it. Oman's airport is amazing. It's full of greenery, it's full of water. It's just a really relaxing experience, and it has great places to eat in it. It has like little little areas where you can sit down and you can just relax. It just really is a well thought out and well organized airport, and they did a very, very good job with the organization and just making the airport an environment like aesthetically that is not stressful. The airport security, the ticketing people, they were all very positive when traveling, and they were just really a great experience. And I know you're all like, well, that isn't really about the country Oman, but I think that it really is, because once again, it's a reflection of how they are just masters of hospitality in Oman. Another reason why I like Oman is because you have mountains and you have beaches. And so when I travel with my husband, he is more of a mountain person and I'm more of a beach bunny. And so having mountains and beaches, you can satisfy both of those, as well as there are deserts and there are oasis in the desert. And yeah, just exploring it, going to the markets, going swimming in like caves that have water in it. I don't know what that's called, but that's a really great experience. Now, if you want to do some touristy things or you want to do some other stuff, I like Oman's palace. If you haven't been to the palace or you haven't been to some of the buildings for the different ministries that they have, I definitely suggest that you go. The palace is gorgeous. It is so, so beautiful. Now, from my understanding, you can't really go, there's a palace and you can't really go in the palace, but you can see the palace. And it is absolutely beautiful. It's just a really, really, really great experience. And just all of their buildings are beautiful. If you want to go somewhere and see some really beautiful architecture, Oman is definitely the place to go. All their doors are amazing. They have like the best Instagram photo ops ever because of their doors. It's just really hard to describe. They just have they have very detailed, I can't get that word out, they have very detailed carvings on their doors, and just the time and effort that they put into their buildings, not just being buildings, they're like works of art. Now, Oman is a little bit more expensive to go to than maybe the UAE, or I don't think it's more expensive than Beirut though. I want to say that they're about the same, Beirut and Oman, but it's a little bit more expensive, but it's really, really great. So if you are going to go to the UAE, I would suggest that you get a flight and you stop off at the UAE, you spend some time in the UAE, of course, because UAE is big, and then you fly from the UAE and you fly over to Oman. That's about an hour, hour and a half flight, and it's gonna cost maybe $150 US dollars to fly there. So have you been to Oman before? Tell me what you like about Oman down in the comments below, or tell me what you feel like is an underrated country to visit. I feel like sometimes we pump up the European countries and we pump up other countries, but there are a lot of underrated countries out there that are absolutely amazing to visit. Drop yours down in the comment below, and who knows, I may take your advice and actually go to that country. Bye y'all.